Hi, in this video, we will delve into how to automatically link a record template to the file upload field of a record during form submission in Zoho Creator. We'll use a sample app to demonstrate this use case. Consider a scenario where an order management app needs a requirement to store invoices for each record on the report. While it's possible by default to download the record template as an invoice for each record by printing it as a summary, our goal is to store the invoice within the records themselves. Let's look at the configuration to achieve this requirement. This is the order form for placing new orders. This is the All Orders report displaying all order details. Follow these simple steps to fulfill the requirement. To begin, let's add a file upload field to the order form. To do this, access the editor and open the form builder. From the Advanced Fields section, add the File Upload field. This field will allow us to upload the invoice after an order entry is made. Change the field name to Invoice and click Done. The next step is to publish the All Orders report. Access the Operations tab under the Manage section and select Publish from the Applications menu. Click on Publish component, choose the application, and select the All Orders report. Once published, we obtain the permalink. This link will be used for the Invoke URL task on the report's URL, which we'll explore in detail in the upcoming steps. Next, let's proceed to create a workflow to automatically upload the order's invoice as a file on the record. From the editor, access the Workflow section and create a new workflow. Choose the form and set the workflow to run when the record is created. The workflow should be triggered on form submission. Give it a name and proceed to create the workflow. Click on Add New Action and choose Deluge Script. The Deluge Script Builder will open. The logic is to construct a URL using the published report's URL as a base to fetch the invoice template with the record's values based on the record ID. Declare a variable constructed URL and paste the published report's URL. Type plus input.id plus within quotes followed by /invoice. The new URL is constructed in the following format. This newly constructed URL will populate the URL with the respective record and defines invoice as the file name. Next, declare another variable. Invoice data equals invoke URL. URL is constructed URL. Type get. Input.invoice equals invoice data. Here, the invoke URL task is used to make a GET request to the constructed URL. This response, stored in the invoice data variable, contains the invoice data to be attached to the file upload field. Finally, we assign the data from the invoice data variable to input.invoice, which represents the file upload field in the order form. This code attaches the invoice to the file upload field. Click Done. Let's see how our configuration works in the live app. Now, let's make a new entry on the order form. Upon clicking on the All Orders report, we can see that the invoice is automatically uploaded to the file upload field on the record. The invoice's record template contains the same values as we have on the record. Thus, we have successfully fulfilled the requirement. In this way, you can effortlessly store record templates of invoices, e-certificates, and more within the records using this configuration. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.